Hey guys, it's Amzeee here, and today we are going to be unboxing the John Lewis Beauty Advent Calendar 2022. So as you can see, it comes in this massive box, and when we open it up, it was packaged in a clear bag, but I've just taken it out of there just to see what it looked like as well. So here's what it looks like inside, and I've just flipped it upside down to slide the box off. And here is what the advent calendar looks like, and it just comes with like a little sleeve that you can kind of pull off like so. And then as you can see here, we've kind of got like a door system, so you can pull out each side, and in the middle we have days 1 through to 25, so it is a full 25-day advent calendar, which you don't see that often. I feel like you normally either get 12-day advent calendars or 24-day. There's not as many that are 25-day, so that is a really cool feature of this calendar. And something to note as well, this calendar I think was around £179, but the stuff inside it is actually worth over £770, I think it was. So you're definitely getting a good deal with this calendar. And for example, in each of the doors, you just pull them out like so, and sometimes they have like a little bit of tissue in it, or they'll just have the product itself. So stay tuned to the 1st of December, where I'll be unboxing each of the drawers on every day of December, obviously up until Christmas Day. So I'll probably be making like a little YouTube Shorts video each day, and we can unbox the advent calendar together. Or let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see everything that is inside it first, because I can unbox it before December if you want to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss an upload again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!